Hey everyone, this is day 3 of 100 Days of Coding. Today I attempted to learn something called the VCR gem. Um, the purpose of this gem is to allow you to make API calls in your tests in such a way that you're not constantly calling the API. So I guess in other words, it actually avoids making repeated API calls in your tests. And the benefit of this is that if there is a limit on the number of API calls you can make in a given amount of time, you'll avoid getting locked out if you go over that limit. If you weren't using something like this. So yeah, I tried learning how to use this today. I'm kind of getting there. I still have a bit more to learn, but this is where I'm at right now. So basically, I'm working on this application that I will just get. I mean, so far all it's doing is it's utilizing this SeatGeek API to look up different artist performances or events and retrieve the JSON data about those events. And all I was trying to do today is get that data and then so I guess make the API call, retrieve that data, and then find out what the lowest price and highest price tickets are for a particular artist's events. And so I guess I'll start with the test here. So, or actually, why don't I start with the gem file? So to require or to use the VCR gem, you'd add it to your gem file like this, and then you would want to bundle install. And you would also want to add this to your spec helper. Where is it? Right here. Okay. So those are the two steps you would need to take to actually um, utilize the VCR gem in a Rails application. After I did that, I wrote my tests. Here I'm just saying it's going to fetch the API data based on an artist parameter, and I'm basically just saying, expect this to receive this method with this value, and here it's just going to receive this method. And I guess the idea here is that you're not actually calling those methods over and over again. And here, this is the actual test. So I have a second test here. It calculates event data based on SeatGeek's API response. And this is where the VCR comes in. This method will actually create a file in spec and then fixtures and then VCR cassettes. So I actually had this line the first time I ran the test, and the point of this is, I guess this is necessary in that you want to run the test first without, I guess, actually testing anything. I'm not really sure about the point of this, but I guess the idea is you want to run it once just so that this can create this file. And I'll show you this here. So this is basically your HTTP request. So you have your method and then the URI, and then all of the information. And this is the JSON that you get back from the API, the SeatGeek API. And yeah, so in this test, I was expecting the data to be a hash, and I was expecting the lowest price. I actually looked through all the prices and found out that the lowest was 65 and the highest was 1,172. So I was expecting that to be the case. And to get this method to work, I iterated over all of the events. And I mean, this is kind of messy, but it works. I'm sure I could refactor this. Yeah, so all tests are passing right now. As far as I'm aware, I'm only calling the API the one time, and I still have a bit more to learn. Maybe I'll go over anything that I clarify tomorrow. I guess to end the video, I'll just show that it's actually working, hopefully. There we go. All right, thanks for watching.